Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable mini dishwashers, the AIRMSEN and the ecozy. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. The AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher is priced at $359, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the ecozy Portable Dishwasher, which comes in at $412. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, the AIRMSEN may be the way to go. When it comes to washing programs, the AIRMSEN offers 5 different options including normal, speed, glass, baby care, and fruit. In contrast, the ecozy provides an additional washing program, totaling 6. This could be a deciding factor for users looking for more versatility in their cleaning options. In terms of power consumption, the AIRMSEN operates at 950 watts, while the ecozy uses slightly more at 1000 watts. This difference may impact your energy bill over time, so it's worth considering if energy efficiency is a priority for you. In conclusion, both the AIRMSEN and ecozy portable dishwashers offer unique features and benefits. The AIRMSEN is a more affordable option with a solid set of washing programs, while the ecozy provides an extra program and slightly higher power. Consider your needs and budget when making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.